So here he's getting the nails out. As you can see, once you lift one chingo, the other chingo on the sides, they go up. Vas a ocupar también el cooking, ¿no, güey? Traes cooking, güey. So here we are putting the new chingo. And as you can see, whenever he's going to put another nail, he has to leave the chingo above so he can put the nail in. So see that chingo. See how this chingo became loose. It became loose. And see, all this chingo became loose. You see, as you can see, every time that we lift this, you see, now we have to put some caulking in there, but the grease is coming off from the chingos. You see. Now, as you can see, this is not a easy repair to do. It's dangerous and so we came to there and we noticed the some other chingos they're about to blow out. You can see that video in there. Those two chingos up there. More missing chingos.